What is up, guys and girls? I'm doing a how-to video on 2 chest exercises today. One is the barbell bench press and one is with dumbbells. So this is my workout. This is where I work out when I'm home. I have a bar here with no weight on the bar because I'm doing a demonstration, obviously. And me and my workout partner here, Buford, are going to show you how to properly do these movements. I'm also going to show some ways not to do these movements so you can avoid different techniques. So I'm gonna get back down on the bar here and I'm gonna teach you the first movement. So this is the barbell bench press with the barbell. So what I do here is I like to kind of feel the area, move my shoulders a little bit, grab on the bar, even sides of the bar, very important. You don't want to grab here, you don't want to grab over here, you want to grab both even ends. What I do is I push up. Once you have it, kind of get your grips. You make sure you have a safe grip. Then I go down slow, drop, and back up. Okay. And that is the barbell bench press. What you don't want to do is you don't want to grab it, go up. You don't want to flare your elbows out. You don't want to make it lopsided. Very important to put a light weight on the bar that you can do. Go down, even, hold it, and up. This is a compound movement. This works the shoulders. This works the front delt, the chest, the triceps. It's super important compound movement. And yeah, it's very fun. I like it. What do you think, Buford? Next up, I'm going to teach you guys a more isolated chest movement. This is going to work just the pecs. Obviously, it works the shoulders a little bit and the triceps, but this is way more isolated than the barbell. This is with dumbbells. So what I do here is I get the dumbbells up on my knees here, supporting. Then I kind of lunge back, put them up, kind of get them straight like this. What I do is slow movement. Up, hold, and down. Up, and down. Up, and down. What you don't want to do is you don't want to make it uneven. You don't want to go up a little bit, or up a little bit over here. You don't want to fall over. You want to make sure you are doing a weight that you can do, and make sure you're getting good repetitions so that you can work the chest properly. Yeah, I think it's important. If anybody has any questions about any other workouts or any questions about proper form or technique or anything like that, drop them down in the bottom comments of this blog.